Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena, and in today's video I'm going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds binder, and then we'll be moving on to cash stuffing my cash envelopes binder, but we'll leave that for another video. In today's video I'm going to be cash stuffing $123 into my binder. I have all of my categories listed here in order, and this is my money laid out so that way we can save some time. I want to thank you all for tuning into my video, for the support. I thank you all so much for the comments. I really enjoy receiving your comments, so please remember to also comment down below, as well as like the video and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now I'm going to jump right into this. First, I want to apologize for not keeping the videos consistent. I had a couple of emergencies that had to be attended to, but I will make sure to add some or pick some days so that I could upload my videos. Try to keep it consistent in that way. So I will try to see which days I can work with, and I will definitely update you guys on which days I will be sticking with. So for right now, I have my binder here. I have everything listed in order, so we're gonna jump right into it. So I'm going to get to the binder. First category is me time. This has anything to do with anytime I'm going to be hanging out with friends, family, or any personals I need. This is going to be my envelope, and I'm going to be cash stuffing $5. So I'm going to take 5. Okay, and then now we have 5, 10. And I just started with this binder, so that's why it's a little low on what I have in each of my binders, but I will definitely keep it consistent so I could try to build it up as quickly as possible. The next envelope is my kiddos, which are my 3 kids, and they're going to be getting $20. This is anything to do with any personals they need. If they want any toys, they can get this as well. So this is their binder. It's going to be 20, 30, 5. So I have $35 in this envelope. I'm actually going to get them separate envelopes because those envelopes are actually going to be used for investing for them. I'm actually looking towards the 529 savings plan, so I'm still looking around, but that's something that I would like to open up for them. So I'm going to get a separate envelope for each of them pretty soon, but I will definitely update you guys on that. Next one is hubby, which is $5, and this as well is his personal binder. Anything he needs, he can either get it from here, or anything for his business he can also use. So anything has to do with him, this is his envelope, and this is 5, 10. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. It's pretty windy up here. I heard that it was going to be some bad weather, a lot of rain, so hopefully it does get better tomorrow. I'm not really fond of the rain. I love, seeing the rain, but especially when I have to work my side jobs on the weekend, it's not that much fun. Next is my funds envelope, and I'm going to cash stuff $3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 in my envelope. We'll see how much we have in total. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And this fund binder is envelope is going to be for any fun time for us, like during like on Sunday. I usually like to go out on Sundays with my kids, so that's going to be our fun envelope for anything we happen to want to get throughout the day on Sundays. My next one is parents, and parents is going to get 20. Okay, I have a 10 in here, so we have 20, 30 for parents. This is either for my mom, if she ever needs anything. I have an envelope for her, or my husband's mother. Whatever they need, I'll have some funds left over for them. Car maintenance is going to get $40. I do have an oil change that's going to be coming up, and I also have to do, I guess, alignment for my tires. And funny thing, I have to get another tire. I had recently gotten my 4 tires for my car. They were brand new. And just yesterday I got a flat on the back of my the rear end of the car. On my side I had a big flat. It was a really big hole, so now I have to actually get a new tire. So I have to start saving up for that. Hopefully I can try to get at least $50 saved by the time I have to get my oil change. So I have $40 here for that. Let's see how much we have in this envelope. Okay, 40. So it's gonna be now, the total is 20, 40, 60, 80 for car maintenance. When it rains, it pours, guys. Okay, so next is my gifts, and I'm going to cash off $5. This is actually one of my new envelopes that I added. Gifts has anything to do with birthdays for any of my family members, or anything like kind of last minutes, you know, either for my husband's or for my mom. I'll be using this, and it's going to get $5. Okay, my next envelope is furniture. This is another new one that I added, and it's going to get 20. And now we have $20 in the envelope. They're new envelopes, guys, so I apologize. Looks like I'm playing around. I'm like, I can't find it. I'm sorry. Okay, so it has 20 in furniture now. And this has anything to do with the house. I do have to get some new furniture, especially when I start to move pretty soon. I do plan on moving at least by the end of this year, either October or November. So I want to build this as much as I can so that I can get new furniture for the house before I actually have to move. And then my last envelope for this binder is electronics, anything to do with headphones. I have to get a new tablet for my kids and also another phone. So I will be, you know, building this up as much as possible, and then I will try to see where this goes at least by ending of this year to get like updated phones or anything to do with my kids closer to Christmas. Okay, and for this one I'm going to add $5. Okay, so this has a $5 balance. Okay, guys, so I will be adding in a video for my next one for my cash envelope binder. So if you guys want to keep out for that video, and I thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for the support. Please remember to also comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love the support from the budgeting community, and I also enjoy if you guys would add a like. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.